Want to know how to enable or disable showing of gameplay tips or game tips in Paladins? So game tips are very important if you are beginner to it, which will really help you in order to pass through levels and battles. But if you already have the hang of it and you want to remove it, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it, just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. First things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be under this main menu right here. And on the top right side, you should be seeing gear icon right here. This is the settings, so you can just simply select it. So now once you have looked at settings, by default you should go under video. You can just simply change to gameplay right here above. Now you can just simply see various options right here. So on the beginning itself, you should be saying so game tips. So if you want to disable it, just simply select disable and then select apply and you're good to go. Now once that is done, no gameplay tips will be given to you, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.